Alright everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another amazingly beautiful sunny day here in Washington State. Today we're going to practice a little bit of social distancing, and when I mean a little bit, I mean like a lot of bit of social distancing. We're going out to the dunes. We're taking the side-by-side out to the dunes, got the whole family together. Got Victoria there walking away from me. Everybody's getting ready. We're about to load up here. We got the side-by-side in the trailer, the truck hooked up, everything's ready to go. And we're gonna take Sophie right here out. Well, yeah, you probably can't see her yet. She's coming, she's coming, she's coming, she's coming. There she is. We got Sophie out for her first day out to the dunes. But like I said, guys, this is like some serious social distancing because there's nobody out there. We've got about 40,000 acres of just pure desert dunes away from everybody. So we're gonna have some fun today. We're gonna load up in the car. We're gonna get out there and do the thing out there. So we'll light it up when we get there. Here we go. All right, so we made it out here. Victoria here today, Sophie here, and Christian back there, having a little bit of fun. We're gonna go find these guys a bathroom, so we're gonna hang out in there.
You mean a bush?
or a bush. I mean, it's the same thing out here.
About Indiana Jones times 1,000.
then follow it.
Pretty fun.
I got stay tuned at the tune. With the side by side, we got China here, car here. All right, guys, we're at the end of our day. We just got back. We had 2 days out here at Juniper in the Razor. First time we've ever had a Razor out. This thing far exceeded all my expectations. Suspension travel is amazing. It really it can handle anything out there. It's really a good bike. Our first day we had the whole family out, Sophia, Chris, and the second day Simon and Victoria came back out. The other two weren't feeling too hot, so not coronavirus hot. Last night drinking hot. So We came out, had some fun today. We're gonna pack up and hopefully maybe in the next couple of weeks we'll bring the bikes out with the Razor again and have some more fun. Maybe we'll go to the back and find some jumps and do some fun stuff like that. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you guys haven't done so already, please smash that like and subscribe button. We'd love to have you guys as a permanent member here of our Royal Rides channel. Appreciate each and every one of you. Hope you guys are all being safe out there. We're out.